Olympics 2024, once poised to showcase nobility and sporting excellence, now faces a series of escalating scandals showcasing how Paris, this year's hosting nation, has failed in its job of making the event memorable. Since the beginning, Paris Olympics has been making headlines, but alas, for the wrong reasons of security failures. Adding to the turmoil of security concerns in the Paris Olympics is the state of the Seine River, the water which was used exponentially for the water sports in the Games. The crisis came to light when Julien Vermillion, a triathlete from Belgium, openly criticized the Paris officials for breaking their promises about the water quality. Vermillion expressed concern about the high levels of water ingestion and reported seeing unsettling particles during her 1,500-meter swim at one of the Paris Olympics water sports event. "I felt and saw things that we shouldn't think about too much," while swimming beneath the bridge, Vermillion told Flemish TV station VTM. She added, "We'll find out tomorrow if I'm sick or not. It tastes nothing like Sprite or Coca-Cola, obviously." Paris's reputation has long suffered due to Seine River's population. The city's outdated combined sewer system carries storm water and sewage through the same pipes. To add to the already chaos, during heavy rains, the system becomes overloaded with discharges untreated wastewater directly into the Seine. This hazardous mixture of pollution, human waste and wildlife waste poses a danger to those who come into contact with the river's water. But the scandal is that poor quality water of the Seine River is being used in the Olympics water sports, painting a grim picture of how France authorities have failed to ensure high quality and preparedness as it hosts one of the biggest sports events in the world. Despite a staggering $1.5 billion investment aimed at cleaning the historically polluted river, the Seine remains noxious, with dangerously high levels of E. coli and other toxic bacteria persisting. As the Games approached, French authorities made significant infrastructural upgrades, including the construction of a large rainwater basin to keep raw garbage out of the river. However, with heavy rains starting during the first weekend of the Olympics, these measures faced a test. The new basin quickly filled to 20% of its capacity, raising concerns about river safety and leading to increased contamination levels. Despite recent improvements failing to fully bring the water quality below safe limits, tests conducted in June showed that E. coli levels in the Seine were 10 times higher than legal limits. The presence of fecal contamination, which can lead to severe health problems like urinary tract infections, sepsis, and gastrointestinal distress, was significant. Although Vermillion deeply disapproved, officials decided to proceed with the swimming competitions despite these reservations. She criticized the decision, stating, "That's bullshit," to express the widespread dissatisfaction with the government's position. The shocking disclosures go far beyond a mere PR upheaval, only tarnishing the integrity of the Paris 2024 Olympic Games. Well, it must be noted here that the Seine water scandal is not the first of its kind that has tarnished the image of Paris. Controversies regarding lack of security and safety measures began prior to the opening ceremony itself. Though the Games is 1 week far from ending, such heartbreaking instances highlight how France has failed in hosting world's biggest and most spectacular sports event. The glaring difference between Paris's ambitious goals and its neglect of critical environmental risks overshadows what was intended to be a celebration of global unity and sporting achievement.